Hey everybody, so I thought I would share tonight's dinner with you because I'm going to take 2 pieces of fish and make them stretch into 4 meals. So we're going to have fish and chips and hush puppies, and what I have here is 1 cup of self-rising flour and 2 heaping tablespoons of that fish fry stuff. I find it very salty, so I'm mixing it with my flour. And then I have club soda, just plain club soda, and I'm going to mix it in here. Sorry, but I have no space right now. I have a haul set up over there. I have canning over there, jars and stuff. There's canning over here. So we're just gonna pour this club soda into our flour. And we're looking kind of for the consistency of pancake batter. You can use beer. If you like beer batter fish, just use all-purpose flour. Your seasonings, you can use Old Bay, you can use garlic, onion powder, paprika, cayenne, salt and pepper. And I got my fish right there. And this is all stuff from my pantry in the freezer. I have my potatoes cut up for fries sitting on the side in some water. I'm going to be using the Martha White Hush Puppies. And we just mix this up, and if you wanted to, you could dip your fries in this as well, or onion rings. I have oil in my skillet. I have it at 325, so you can get the crispy outside but cook proper on the inside. A lot of people do it at 350, so whatever works for you. And you can use this with veggies, zucchini, all kinds of stuff. So there's our batter. That's what it looks like. And I am wearing an apron today. And then what we're going to do, I don't know if you can see, we are going to slice our fish into like fish sticks. Normally everybody would get, you know, a whole fillet for fish and chips, but we are going to stretch it. And they can be as thick or as thin as you want. This is cod. I'm trying to cook everything I have in the bottom freezer of my refrigerator. So my menus every night are based on what I pull out of that freezer. And what I don't cook, I'll be canning. I could have used a more appropriate knife for this. Okay. So they're about that thick and that long. And we've got 10 pieces. I'm going to drain my potatoes really well and dry them off. You don't want any water going into your oil. And this you just mix with 3/4 of a cup of water or milk. The Martha White. And when you're measuring in the kitchen, you want to make sure you're using the right measuring cups. Measuring cups like this are for dry ingredients. So if you've ever wondered why things aren't coming out the same and stuff, that might be it. So I'm going to get my water. I'll be right back. Okay, so we have our water in this measuring cup. Just going to add it to that bowl. Mix it up. It's just hubby talking to the dogs. Okay. So that is done. Okay, well, sorry if you heard that. I don't know why he had to use those words. Okay. You just add it to your hot oil. And it puffs up instantly. It's just like what you get like at seafood place. So that batter adds more, you know, substantial, like, filling. And that fish fry has a lot of seasoning in it, so should be pretty well seasoned. You could always put a little drop of it in your oil, taste it, and if you want to add more seasoning or more of the fish fry, you can do that. Smells like fish. And if you didn't want to do French fries, you could use the batter for onion rings, zucchini. Okay. Feel like we have room now. This is called a foldable skillet my mom got me for Christmas. I just realized recently I have all these new appliances, the new pans, everything. My mom has gotten me all of that stuff. So I'm going to do a test of a Hush Puppy. See how that goes. French fries. And just let it cook until it's golden brown on one side, and turn them over unless you're doing like a total deep fry. I didn't want to pull that thing out. So I will come back when these are ready to turn over. Okay, we're flipping them over. I've started adding some fries. Add a few more fries. You can cut your fries any size you want, your fish. But see how much bigger the fish looks? Nobody's going to think they're missing out. Let's call them fish sticks. And those potatoes will lower your heat, so I turned it up to a smidge. There you go. We're cooking everything in one pan. I don't have a bunch of skillets on the stove. I don't have splattering going on everywhere. We're doing a-okay. So I'm just going to keep frying everything until it's done, and we will come back and take a bite of this delicious fish and check out these hush puppies from the pantry. Okay, you guys, it's all done. So here's our fish and our fries, our hush puppies. So I'm gonna make a plate. I made some tartar sauce. And you could make as many fries as you want. You could add some sliced tomatoes. And there's my plate. Here's what we still have left. So I think you could feed a whole family, and if you have kids, you could actually cut these in half and fry them, or you could make like fish nuggets. You can really stretch this meal. So let's tasty our fish. It's probably hot, so I'm probably going to burn my lips off. Can you hear the crunch? It's crispy. It's yummy. It's cheap this way. You can have fish and chips at home, dirt cheap, and make it stretch. And feed at least 4 people with this meal. So I just wanted to share that. I know we're all trying to cut corners and make things stretch, and a couple of fillets in the freezer. Make nuggets, make strips, fries, hush puppies, some kind of veggie, a salad, sliced tomatoes, green beans, and you've got a meal that everybody will be happy with. So, if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. We stretch $1. We use what's in our pantry. We preserve food, store food, shop for food. We do everything over here. Dehydrate. So, anyways, you all stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.